For everyone that won't remove age skin spots, today's show is gonna help you a lot. I will be talking about age skin spots, what are the main causes, how apple cider vinegar and much more natural remedies can help you remove those age skin spots. Age spots are the small flat dark areas on the skin. They vary in sizes and usually appear in the areas exposed to the sun, such as the face, arms, shoulders. Age or the liver spots are the result of the lifetime accumulation of the sun damage. Every time the skin is exposed to the sun, it is damaged by ultraviolet rays. This generates free radicals which set up inflammation reaction known as heliodermatitis. This inflammation damages skin structures and interferes with normal cell division. Enzymes released during the inflammation of the process are also thought to dissolve elastin and the collagen fibers, leading to premature wrinkles and the areas of pigmentation commonly known as age spots. This may be the number one causes why you have the age of the liver spots. This sun is going to be very bad for your skin health, also in the ages that it will be coming a little bit later in your life, and when you have the 50, 60 or 70 years old, usually these age spots are accumulated on the face, arms or whatever. How apple cider vinegar can help remove age spots. The healthiest apple cider vinegar is one of organic type with something called mother. As I mentioned a little bit while ago, age spots getting worse in the people who have insulin resistance or diabetes. And I want to tell you something what is really important. You have the age skin spots. That's why you watching this video. That means your sun is pretty accumulated in your skin and you have the skin damage. Also, you probably have a vitamin C deficiency because this is two problems are related together. Third one, it's very common problem and probably you don't know this. You have the insulin resistance or diabetes. Usually insulin resistance right now in this modern era have like 50, 60, 70% of the people. You don't know about this because you are not get very symptoms that you recognize that you have insulin resistance. You usually not paying attention to that, but you have insulin resistance. That's why apple cider vinegar is going to help you a lot. In the short, that means vitamin C deficiency, insulin resistance and the sun exposure is going to give you a very good quantity and very good chance that you have age skin spots. You can drink apple cider vinegar or take it in the capsules. You have very good skin situation all the way right now if you take this apple cider vinegar. If you want to know about the amazing effects of the apple cider vinegar on our body, do a good research on my channel because I have talked about this topic in many videos. Apple cider vinegar helps control blood sugar by slowing down the digestion of the carbohydrates. This is very important for the age skin spots. Usually when you take it, I don't know, like orally, this apple cider vinegar is going to help you a lot. But I'm going to recommend you one perfect paste that had a large quantity of vitamin C, also a large quantity of apple cider vinegar that can you put on your age skin spots. Ingredients are 1 big piece of horseradish, also 100 ml of apple cider vinegar with mother, 2 big spoons of aloe vera gel, Horseradish is full of vitamin C. It is very important for removing age spots. Grate horseradish and put it in the pre-prepared jar. In the same jar, add organic apple cider vinegar and aloe vera gel. This is very simple. Horseradish grated, put it in the jar. Also add apple cider vinegar, and one of the best natural remedies for skin are aloe vera gel, especially. Add it in the jar, mix it, take it a lid and keep it for about 10 to 14 days in the part of the house that are dark, maybe in the kitchen or any other part in the house. When enough time has passed, mix the paste nicely before applying, and you can put it on the age spots 2 to 3 times a day. Keep it for the 15 minutes, then rinse the paste of the skin. Apply the paste regularly, and you will probably need a few weeks to remove age skin spots. So this is the paste that you put on your age skin spots 2 to 3 times daily. Wash it, and this is gonna help you. But what else is very well documented that can help you with the age skin spots? Also take selenium. He provides important skin protection against sun damage. And those with low intakes are most likely to develop age spots and certain type of the skin cancer. Taking selenium supplements has been shown to decrease damage of the skin cell membranes following UV exposure. Taking supplements contain selenium and vitamin A, C and D, showing systemic protection against UV radiation. The protection was greatest if you take before exposure to the UV light. And I'm gonna help you with a couple more very important information. Probably the best way and the shortest way, easiest way to resolve your age skin spots is gonna be practicing intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is the best regime diet that I was writing about my first book, and it's very good for the skin, especially if you had age skin spots. End of the show is gonna be take coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is powerful antioxidants. It's gonna help you a lot with your age skin spots, usually with the skin, and much more. In the show for today's video, you take vitamin C, take selenium, take this regime that's going intermittent fasting, also with the coenzyme Q10 is going to help you a lot. And if you apply this mixture that I was telling about you earlier, your skin spot is going to get very soon very better, but not for all people. Why you cannot rid of age skin spots? It's because your lifestyle that you're living. You cannot think it that you're gonna take this space and you eat whatever you eat. You got take any medication that you take each day. That you have any kind of life that you are living right now, and it's gonna reduce your age skin spots with just one cream. That is not going to happen. People understand this. You must live healthy. You must take healthiest diets in the world. You must exercise. You must reduce your stress. You don't need, if you take a lot of medication each day, usually they have a lot of side effects on your skin. Maybe that is the one of the cause of the age skin spots. You must think about like this. Usually when you have age skin spots, you have a lot of damage, right, in your skin. That means that that cannot go overnight, and maybe a couple of days or a couple of weeks. Maybe you take this practice 1 year, try it, and you see the results. I can promise you that. People all around the world, thank you for following me. It is my great pleasure to helping you all. Maybe you have some recommendations for us how you are removing age skin spots, of course in natural way. Please comment below. Thank you once again. See you next time. Bye bye.